Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Luisa. Today we will be doing this purplish blue look. It really just makes me think of the ocean, which I love. If you want to know how to get this look, then please keep watching. Enjoy! So let's begin. Today we will be using my BH Cosmetics 120 color eyeshadow palette, second edition. I love this palette because it holds so many colors, more than I could possibly think of. But anyways, to begin, we'll be using this soft yellow and kind of soft tan color for our crease. So yeah, let's begin layering this on. So I want to jump in quickly to say that I really do love these two colors mixed together for my crease color. It really does help with blending into the skin, and then not only that, but blending the eyeshadows themselves. If you want to put more, then please go ahead, do more. If you're someone who doesn't like too much, I would say just at least 2 layers of the crease color into your eye, or onto your eye. Alright guys, time to move on to the next color. We will be using this brown. It's in between a soft brown and an ashy brown color for the outer corner of the eye. Because this is a darker color and the darkest color we'll be using, you want to use a brush that is a soft kind of, and a small rounded brush. This is because you want to add the most control. Always remember to blow off the excess. I do. It's just honestly out of habit. Again, you don't want this color to go everywhere, and you don't want it to smear all over your face, especially if you're doing your eyeshadow after you've done your foundation. Also note that I am using the back of one of my eyeshadow cases. Not really case, but the little container that it comes in. Anything like a hard surface or kind of like a soft cardboard will work. More of like a hardstock paper, to be honest. But what it does is it collects the excess, because even if you blow it off, there will always be excess that falls on to the rest of your face or right below your eye, and you just don't want to mess all that up. So I put it in right underneath, and it catches it all, which you'll see in a moment. Here you can see I decided to add the ashy brown color right above the soft brown color, just to add a bit more definition, and also because I am doing a light blue color, I don't want it to be too much of a contrast. So now it's time to blend, blend, blend. I'm sure you're going to hear me say this 1,000 times, but this is very important so your eyeshadow doesn't look choppy or there's too much of a contrast. You're just going to avoid a lot of issues. But we're going to use the same brush that I used for the transition color. Basically, it is a small, fluffy brush. Small, I'd say the size of like my pointer finger. Now, finally on to our third color. We will be using this beautiful purple and blue color. The reason I say purple is because it has some small tints of purple in it. It's truly just such a beautiful color. I'm obsessed. Anyways, we will be using the soft, flat brush to apply this all over our lid. Please remember to use any sort of setting spray that you have, but spray, I would say 1 pump, maybe 2, no more than 2, because you don't want the brush to be soaking wet. Onto the brush, I would say maybe at like a foot distance. You're going to pack this on to your lid, as many layers as you need until your lid is pretty much covered with this color. So now we're going to use the same flat brush, the top part of it actually, to apply the same color. I like to use the same color. If you want to use a darker color or if you want to use the brown color, you may. It just won't make the blue pop as much as I'd like it to. But really it's up to preference. So if you the outer corner color, up to you too. But either way, use a flat brush and apply it to the bottom lash line. Remember to do this carefully. In this case, I highly recommend you use some sort of paper, hardstock paper, anything that you may have, just to put it right underneath so you don't get it all over your under eye area. On to the final color for your inner corner of your eye. We will be using this white from my Essence All About Bronze eyeshadow palette. I got this in Switzerland. I'm not sure if you can get it in the US. Please let me know in the comments down below. But I'm pretty sure you can get anything online, so I think either way you're good to go. But yeah, if you have any white color that is glittery, shiny, you can use the flat brush or any other brush that you really have is small. You can even use like a small round one, really just to apply this to the inner corner of your eye. I don't mind the white going everywhere or blending with the blue. I mean, it's going to anyways, but I just think it's a beautiful last little touch. Finally, I'm using a big fluffy brush, or as some may call it, like a blush brush, to wipe away any of the excess product that might have fallen off or onto my face. You know, where you put concealer, where you put highlighter. You just gently wipe it away. Do not press too hard because you don't want to press it into the skin. Thank you guys so much for watching and for tuning in. I hope you enjoyed this video. This is the final look. Please comment down below if you want to see any other eyeshadow look or what else you'd like to see. Please hit that like button, subscribe, and hit that bell button so you get notified when I post next. See you next time and take care.